removing the old glides by center punching and drilling out. Use a 3/16 drill bit. The old glide is aluminum, so it should easily be removed with the drill. Okay, the old rivet is removed. Now we'll install the 3-piece glide, which consists of one solid rivet, one aluminum shell, one rubber pad. Put through hole and utilize a rivet setting tool, which I'm the only one that has it. Should say that. Squeeze the rivet and glide is firmly in place for another 50 years of use. The plastic shell fits over the aluminum shell and should snap into place. That's all there is to it to replace your forged foot 3-piece glide.